In today's video, I'll show you how to unlock a permanently locked Snapchat account in under a minute. So, let's get started. If your account is locked, first try logging in. Sometimes Snapchat gives you an unlock button if it's only temporarily locked. If not, open any browser and search Snapchat logged account. Click on the official Snapchat support link and select My account was locked. If it says it's because of third-party apps, delete them. Wait 48 hours and then try again. If your account is still locked, scroll down and tap Contact Us. Then select I can't access my account and I think my account was compromised. Fill in your username, email, and phone number. And in the message box, write something like Hi Snapchat team, my account username has been permanently locked. I haven't violated any rules and would appreciate if you could review it. Submit the form, and Snapchat should email you within a few days if your account can be recovered.